Hello and welcome. I'm John Kias, Product Marketing Team Leader for the Service Assurance Portfolio for Micro Focus IT Operations Management. In this demo, I'm going to show you how Operations Bridge enables cloud observability while capturing the entire infrastructure which spans on-premises and cloud. In addition to topology and service modeling, Operations Bridge can discover AWS tags automatically, which allows for much faster navigation through the data, reducing overall MTTR. And because of our cloud-native architecture, Operations Bridge can dynamically hyperscale to match the scale requirements of the largest applications and environments. So let's get started. In our demo, we're going to look at a company called Advantage Online Shopping. This company has this application built on AWS Cloud, as well as on-prem infrastructure. Operations Bridge has created a topology and service model where we see the AWS infrastructure and how it is a component in the overall AOS web shop service with the back-end and front-end services. Additionally, we see on-prem elements such as the login and page and catalog. We see some events and we want to take a closer look. Let's take a look at this major event. We're going to filter for public cloud events and look at those elements generated from our cloud discovery. There we can see an auto-scaling group that has a value of 100%. We can understand the application at a deeper level by examining the tags created by the developers. We see the production front-end, back-end, and staging front-end and back-end. Tags are used to group applications in AWS. Operations Bridge discovers those tags and adds them into the service model and topology. You can use those same tags to filter the entire event browser, which we will do here. Looking at the filtered environment and the specific front-end component that has a problem, we see that a number of events, 4 normal CPU messages, then a message about CPU increasing, and finally that the group is at 100% or capacity limit. Now we're going to assign this issue to a specialist to start the investigation. And let's see how the cloud operator is further investigating this issue. Now we're looking at the screen where the cloud operator will utilize. The cloud operator primarily uses the performance data as well as the topology. Now, we're going to assign this issue to a specialist to start the investigation. And let's see how the cloud operator is further investigating this issue. Now we're looking at the screen where the cloud operator will utilize. The cloud operator primarily uses the performance data as well as the topology. As the cloud operator looks into the production front end, we see that there are 2 nodes in the auto-scaling group, and one of them has generated the events. Filtering for just the production infrastructure, we can see that the group in the service instances is at 100%. Looking at the auto-scaling group with our standard out-of-the-box performance dashboard, We can quickly identify min-max values of the overall group and the specific CPU on that system, and identifying it as running at 100%. Since the CPU is at 100% and the scaling is maxed, the best way for us to address this situation is to launch an action and extend the scaling group min-max values. As we execute the tool, we can see that we're extending the auto-scale group from 2 to 3 and confirming execution of the commands. In the topology, we see the new elements discovered and added to the group, and the events have cleared due to the favorable system status, and the AWS events overview returns to green. When you leverage the new AWS Cloud Observability with Operations Bridge, you can integrate cloud components into the bigger picture of your application landscape. Additionally, you can take advantage of cloud-native concepts such as the application tagging to group the application assets and integrate into service models to effectively manage hybrid IT environments. Thank you for watching this demonstration on hyperscale cloud monitoring with Operations Bridge. Operations Bridge is also the central component in our full-stack AIOps solution. To learn more about Operations Bridge or full-stack AIOps, please visit microfocus.com.